Fan ka ba ng Italian, American, Filipino, Japanese, o Chinese food all in one? Food Club Manila, laging laman ng FYP ko. Kaya na-curious ako kung worth it nga ba. Finally, meron na rin dito sa second floor ng Fisher Mall in Quezon City. Kaya na-try ko na rin. Super friendly at accommodating ng staff. Laging nakasmile, ang warm ng welcome. Para sa mga masasarap na dishes, meron silang lechon kawali, roast beef chuck roll, tempura, sushi, yang chow, pizza, fish fillet with wasabi mayo, fried squid, steamed shrimp, sweet and sour meatballs, at dim sums like siomai, siopaw, at chicken feet. May create your own noodles din. At syempre, halo-halo. Only drinks din, coffee, juices, soft drinks, at draft beer. Over 100 dishes, may 500 seating capacity pa. Perfect siya sa barkada, family, o team gatherings. I'll just flash the prices on screen para makita nyo. By the way, may 1K worth GC sila na binibenta for 950 pesos lang. Swak na swak for gift or future visit. Syempre, kahit gaano kakabusog, there's always room for dessert. Crepe combo sa ube ice cream, hindi matamis yung chocolate drizzle. Fried manto with condensed milk, ice cream, buko pandan, cassava cake, lahat chill lang. Gumawa rin ako ng root beer float, A&W combo. At masarap din yung coffee nila, perfect sa buffet. Honestly, worth it siya if kakainin mo lahat ng premium dishes tulad ng lechon, roast beef chuck roll, sushi, at tempura. Pero depende pa rin sa hanap mo sa buffet. Follow for more honest food finds around the metro.